Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to effectively manage your mobile data usage. We'll start by showing you exactly where to find your data settings on most smartphones, typically under Network and Internet or Connections. Then, we'll help you understand the data consumption patterns of your applications so you can pinpoint the biggest data hogs. This guide will empower you with the knowledge to take control of your cellular data. To monitor your data, navigate to your phone settings and look for data usage or mobile data. Here, you'll see a comprehensive list of applications and their individual data consumption over a specific period, often the last 30 days. You can also set a data warning, for example, at 2 gigabytes and a hard limit, perhaps at 5 gigabytes, to prevent overages. Many devices offer a data saver mode too. To significantly reduce your data usage, first, disable background app refresh for non-essential applications. This stops them from consuming data when you're not actively using them. Second, always download your favorite music, podcasts, and videos over Wi-Fi for offline enjoyment. Third, lower the streaming quality in apps like YouTube or Spotify. Often, a medium quality setting uses 50% less data without a noticeable difference. Finally, prioritize Wi-Fi for all large downloads. For advanced data saving, enable data compression in your web browser, like Chrome's Light Mode, which can reduce data usage by up to 60%. Always ensure your phone is set to update applications only over Wi-Fi, preventing unexpected data spikes. Also, configure cloud backup services, such as Google Photos or iCloud, to synchronize only when connected to a wireless network. Regularly review your mobile plan. If you consistently use less than 5 gigabytes, a smaller plan might save you money.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.